Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best portable beach chairs in 2020. To see the price and more information about these portable beach chairs, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the WildHorn Outfitters Portable Chair. If you are looking for the perfect chair for the beach campsite, hiking, backpacking, RV park, festivals, and other outdoor uses, you should give the WildHorn Outfitters Terra Light chair a thought. The chair comes with a light, but sturdy aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, which is also resistant to rust, tarnishing, and corrosion. Together with the WildHorn Outfitters, the chair weighs about 3 pounds, and can support weights not exceeding 350 pounds. It measures 5 by 6 by 15 inches, and will conveniently accommodate people of different heights and weights. The WildHorn Outfitters grip feet prevent it from sinking in soft surfaces such as sand or mud, while the interchangeable feet give it versatility. It's a tough choice, because of its good design, good comfort, easy to assemble, and is also strong. Some consumers, however, complained that it attracts link. It's not very tall, and doesn't come with a cup holder. At number 4. We have the ALPS Mountaineering Folding Chair. With dimensions of 14 by 22 by 24, and weighing approximately 6.8 pounds, the ALPS Mountaineering Folding Chair is suitable for many outdoor applications. These include at the beach, tailgating, camping, hiking, RV parks, and festivals, among others. It's made from light strong metal that has been powder coated for added protection and elegance. The accessory features a strong khaki fabric that can safely support up to 300 pounds and for easy transportation and storage. The chair can be folded to a smaller size, and also comes with a shoulder carry bag. Its main advantages are solid construction, easy folding, lightweight, and versatility. It nevertheless comes with the following disadvantages: a bit low to the ground, moderately compact, and not the most colorful. At number 3. We have the Quik Shade Folding Chair. Regarded as among the most elegant, reliable, and durable beach chairs in 2020, the Quik Shade adjustable chairs should make a good addition to your camping, beach, hiking, and tailgating gear. It is 30 inches long, 34 inches wide, 49 inches high, and weighs roughly 9 pounds. It consists of strong steel frames and 600D polyester fabric, and will support weighing no more than 225 pounds. The portable chair is easy to assemble, and features patented design that assists in creating a good shade for blocking the sun rays. It comes with an adjustable canopy, 2 cup holders, and the seat height, when folded, is about 18 inches. It's worth buying, because its extra light creates a decent shade setting up, and folding is easy, and is resistant to stains and water. Its main drawbacks, or it's not recommended for heavy users, is a bit bulky, and occupies quite some space. At number 2. We have the Sport-Brella Recliner Chair. This beach chair measures 8 by 8 by 39 inches, and comes with 3 adjustable seating levels: nap, lay back, and sit up. This enhances your comfort and relaxation at the beach, park, camp, and other places. It's made of metallic coated steel, a sturdy fabric, and can support up to 260 pounds. The 3-way swivel canopy offers up 50+ protection, while the integrated cup holder, insulated pockets, and storage pocket gives you easy access to refreshments. For better relaxation, you can make use of the detachable footrest. It makes it to the list of the top 5 best beach chairs for reasons such as good sun protection, easy to assemble, light, and also comfortable. It could, however, rank higher if it wasn't small, and the umbrellas didn't easily get blown away by the strong winds. And finally, at number 1, We have the Tommy Bahama backpack chair, capable of supporting weights of up to 300 pounds. The Tommy Bahama chair is among the sturdy chairs on our list. Like most top contenders, it's made from light but strong aluminum and long-lasting 600D polyester fabric. The chair seating position can be adjusted in 5 different levels, including a completely flat position. It comes with a comfortable rubber carry handle, conveniently padded shoulder straps, and insulated pouches and pockets for storing phones, magazines, writing accessories, water bottles, and more. It's a tough product because of its elegant design and rust-free nature. It's very light and portable, and it's also easy to fold and unfold. Being a bit too bright and colorful, and the small pockets patches cost it to the top spot. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.